So we have Daphne Barsaghi from New York University, who's going to give the keynote lecture on RAS signaling. As you probably all know, targeting RAS has been really challenging, and yet 25% of all human tumours have mutated RAS. So it's going to be wonderful to listen to her talk and then think about novel targeted agents which are beginning to come on the horizon now for targeted therapy of RAS. What we know now is that there are new approaches to targeting RAS on the horizon. Understanding more and more about what RAS actually does, what its functions are, mutated RAS functions in cancer cells of various types, becomes even more pivotal because we need to understand how to use novel targeted therapies that attack that pathway. See you everyone in Barcelona.